across the globe over the next 30 minutes. At the top of this segment, our biggest story, Prime Minister Modi's Italy visit for G7 summit. Prime Minister Modi is in Italy at the moment to attend the 50th G7 meeting. This is Prime Minister's first foreign visit after getting elected for the third consecutive term. Before departing for Italy yesterday, Prime Minister Modi said in an official statement that he is glad that his first visit after winning to the elections is to Italy. He further said that India is committed to maintain its strategic partnership with the country on the sidelines of the meeting. There are 5 to 6 bilateral talks scheduled for the Prime Minister, which includes meeting with Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni and US President Joe Biden as well. Some of the key agendas for the summit is formulating strategies to engage more deeply with Indo-Pacific, stopping war in Gaza and raising more support for Ukraine. Some breaking updates now coming in with regards to the same. Prime Minister Modi has made his first tweet after reaching Italy for the G7 meeting. He has said, and I'm going to quote him here, that landed in Italy to take part in the G7 summit. Looking forward to engaging in productive discussions with world leaders. Together, we aim to address global challenges and foster international cooperation for a brighter future. We'll bring you more details about what are the topics that are going to be on the table as far as the agendas are concerned. But let's listen in to one of the reactions now coming in first.
The Prime Minister of India has arrived at Brindisi Airport in Italy to participate in the G7 summit. Tomorrow is a packed day for him. We have several bilateral meetings with world leaders lined up. He'll also be addressing the outreach session of the G7 summit. Stay tuned with the Ministry of External Affairs, social media handles and digital medium to get an update on the visit.
Yes, CNN News 18's Abhishek Jha joining us on the phone line early this morning. Abhishek, a very good morning to you. It's going to be a very interesting and very crucial meet that Prime Minister has gone to attend. He is in fact attending it for the 5th time himself. What are going to be the key agendas that are going to be on the table for the world leaders to discuss, Abhishek?
Well, while Prime Minister Modi will be taking part in the outreach session that will focus on Africa, energy security, artificial intelligence and other issues around the world, he's also going to have a series of bilateral meetings. At least 6 bilateral meetings is something that we have learned so far is going to happen, and that will include having a meeting with German Chancellor, then of course the Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni, Prime Minister of Japan, and then bilateral meeting with UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak and the French President Emmanuel Macron. So these are the bilateral meetings that are scheduled. We had also learned that a meeting between Prime Minister Modi and US President Joe Biden was being planned, but there has not been any confirmation on that. Beyond that, there could be some pull-aside meeting also of Prime Minister Modi of the other world leaders who are participating in that G7 meeting. But the hours that Prime Minister Modi is going to spend there are very less, and the schedule of him is very packed. With just a day he is spending in Italy, and he is meeting so many world leaders and also taking part in that outreach session.
Right, Abhishek. Please stay with us. We are now shifting focus to the tragic news that we received straight from Kuwait, and a tragic fire incident that killed over 40 Indian nationals in Kuwait. The Emir of Kuwait has also ordered a thorough investigation and in fact has vowed strict action